Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tesla original mod and splash guard kit. I received this package for a couple months. I never get a chance to install it. Today I'm going to install this mod guard. Based on the instruction, you need to use your scissor to cut part of the bottom side of the plastic. After I check the bottom, it seems like really easy to do. Well, first thing first, you need to turn your steering wheel and make sure you have enough space to work on this side. And when you work on the other side, then you turn the steering wheel to the other side. Well, first I would like to clean this part a little bit, make sure no dust. And then you can use any tool to take off this plastic screw. All right, got a second one. These two holes will align to these two holes here. The screws we just took off. Now you can see there's another one actually can be inserted in the bottom of the driver's side. Now let's have a look at it where that part is. All right, now let's look at the bottom part. You can see there's a little bit here is loose, right? You can use your finger or any tool to open it up. You can see there's a little screw here. For this thing, Tesla instruction said to use your scissors to cut this piece carefully. Now let me cut this one. Use your scissors carefully. All right. Now you can see this part is gone. All right, you got it. All right. So this hole will screw into the bottom, and this is the mod splash board. Now you have to insert this one in here. All right, now I'm going to put the splash guard on this mod flap. I'll insert. Just make sure the hole and will align each other, and also will insert under this rubber. Now we're ready to install. So now let's insert this into the hole we just cut, and then put the screw in there. All right. Once it's tight, I can put this plastic screw in the front. Looks nice. Now I'm gonna tighten a little more to the bottom. All right. Looks great. Now let's turn the steering wheel to the other way. All right, same way on this side. Squeeze. Make sure the glue get on there right. Insert this one to the hole in the back. Insert the screw first. Once in there, it's in there really tight. Now you can see we're done with the installation for this mod flap and the splash guard. Looks really good. This is on the passenger side. This is the driver's side. Looking good.